Guys, good afternoon. How are you? You guys know that Romarico went to the ship and I'm alone here in Brazil. It's around almost 1 month. Next Monday gonna be 1 month that he's there. And of course, our content here, Romarico and me together, it's a bit like, it's like we don't have too much content to upload. So I'm trying to do some videos by myself. Also, Romarico is recording some parts of his day there, so we can combine and post here. But today is a special day because today is his birthday. Yeah, November 26th, and of course I cannot let it pass like this. I miss him so much. I already make him his surprise in the ship. His cousin is there, so I asked him, and I insist him if he can try to buy something for Romarico. So he bought some stuffs for him. I put the picture here, and you can see that it's like a celebration. Also, I make a video in social media, everything for him, because it's almost, I don't know, but I think it's the first birthday that he's on board and I'm not. Or maybe already happened, but at least I follow him in the ship, right? I don't stay home. So for his birthday, I want to cook something. I'll show you my dish. That is Adobo baboy. For those who never watch us, I'm a Brazilian Filipino wife and I'm living here in Brazil. My husband also, but my husband now it's on board because he decided to, I stay this time home and him on board. So I will start to prepare our adobo manok now, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna make it my way. Usually, baboy. Usually I make my adobo manok, but this time I will make baboy. I hope the pork's not that hard. Okay, so let's get started. Bye. So for us to get started, I'm gonna use garlic. I have only like 3 remaining. Black pepper. Okay, remember that this is my recipe. Okay, I'm not sure if it's real this, and I don't know, I just try to do the way how I do the adobo that I learned in the beginning of our relationship. This one is soy sauce. I have until here, so soy sauce from Brazil, that here we call shoyu. And then I have bay leaf. I have also some, only like 3 remaining. Look, 3 pieces. And of course cannot forget is the manok, no, baboy. So we're gonna cut this pork and we're gonna do our adobo. Today I will not cook white rice. I'm gonna cook the whole rice. I will put here down how we call in English, that we call integral. It's like it's a whole rice, so like not the real white. So we're gonna do this for our partner. Today is Sunday here, Romarico's birthday, and let's get started. I'm excited because I love adobo and long time I don't cook it. As a Filipino dish, I'm gonna make the rice like Filipinos, because the rice of Brazilians usually we don't put only water and rice. We put also garlic, fried garlic. We put like oil. We put salt. So I'm gonna make like Filipino style, and very easy. Only rice and water. Guys, so my secret is when it's already cooked, especially the baboy that is a bit harder, what I do, I make it high, the fire. So this one, that is the sauce, is gonna be like a bit more thick. It will reduce the sauce, can you see? Because it's soy sauce, of course. And then I leave it very thick. I don't leave it like watery. I like more dry adobo. And this is the dish for Romarica's birthday. Later I will put in the plate and you see how the things. The rice is almost cooked. And that's it. Guys, basically it's ready, our adobo. And I will give to my auntie for she try. And for us to celebrate Romarico's birthday. I hope you enjoy the video. And I will show how is the texture of my adobo in the plate. Of course, she'll eat by spoon and fork. Não, é ao contrário, tia. Ah, tá certo, tá certo. So she'll try. Gente, ela... And she'll try to tell me if it's good or not. Did you like it? Gostou, tia?
Muito bom.
Fala em inglês então. Very nice. Very good.
Very good.
Okay, guys, so
Nossa,
enjoy.
uma delícia, cara. Meu Deus.
Guys, so I hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to subscribe here down below. She's here. Like, she's really like the dish. And I'm not Filipina, but I learned how to prepare it. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe here down below. For sure, many vlogs for you from here, from Brazil, and with my Filipino husband, Romarico, that is his birthday today, and I wish all the best for him. Thank you very much. Ciao!